cheese fried chicken. You heard me right. Cheese fried chicken. This is so easy. I'm just going to make a small batch in my Hamilton Beach deep fryer today. 6 legs, that's enough for breakfast or lunch for me. I'm going to show you how easy it is to make my secret seasoning mix, which is garlic powder, oregano, and my secret ground cumin. If you never had that, you gotta taste it. That's what they make a lot of them good rubs with. It's so good and it smells delicious. Then we're gonna dip them in eggs and water, dip them in flour, and put them in my deep fryer, 350 degrees. And later on comes the cheese. Then at the end we have the surprise. It's gonna be so good. I can't wait. Let's get started. My oil's almost up to temperature. I have peanut oil in there and I filled it up to the line inside. Nice convenient lid on this Hamilton Beach deep fryer. Put the cheese to the side. That's mozzarella, of course. First I'm going to make my seasoning. This is my secret special seasoning mix. The water is for the eggs. Step aside, chicken legs. I'm going to use a 1/4 cup of garlic powder. A little bit more. I like it. You can change this up however you like as well. You could put red pepper in there, pepper flakes, hot stuff. Put hot sauce in with the egg mixture instead of water. 1/4 cup of ground cumin. This is my second favorite spice. Oh, it smells so good. And also 1/4 cup of oregano leaves. See that? Give that a mix. Get those ingredients mixed up well. You can also put this in a bag, shake and bake style if you like. But I wanted you to see it in the bowl. It smells so delicious. This is just going to be our seasoning. We'll dip our chicken in there first. I'm going to go quick and easy with this, alright? Mixed up good. Next step, 1/3 cup of water. And 3 eggs. I gotta take the eggs out of the shells. 1/3 cup. H2O. 1 egg. A 2 egg. And could we have twins in this one? No, we don't. Okay. Grab my classic beater from Sears. Wayback Machine. Beat them up. Nice. You know what I forgot in my seasoning mix? I forgot salt and pepper. I got it right there. Salt and pepper to taste. Whatever you like. However much you like in there. A little extra. I think my oil's hot enough. Let me check. I want around 350. 375 will be alright as well. Ooh, it's 350 right here. Alright. Oh. Woo. Let's bring our chicken back. Oh, that's making chicken in the back there. We get a little assembly line going here. First our seasoning, our egg mixture, and dredge it through the flour and drop it in. Gonna use this handy basket. I like to coat this first with oil, so whatever I'm frying in there might not stick to it. Just a little tip. I'm so excited. You ready? I'm gonna do maybe three at a time. I'm gonna do because I'm gonna cook it 2 different ways. First, get it coated in your seasoning. Beautiful. Put in the egg mixture, get it wet. Dredge it in the flour. That's it. Put it up here. Till the next one's ready. Number 2, seasoning. Delicious seasoning. egg mixture. Get it wet. Dredge in the flour. Shake it off. Put it in the basket. Whoa. These are jumbo legs. Number 3. How are you gonna make this? What do you say? How delicious this is. Shake it off. There we go. Let's lower them in. We're gonna go about 8 to 11 minutes. Make sure the oil covers your chicken. 8 to 11 minutes, okay? And you can use a big deep fryer as well for this on your stove or pan. However you like to fry your chicken. Put the lid on, check the time. It's 8:01 a.m. I'm gonna check it at about 8:10, see how it looks. Smells delicious right away. Woo! Let me wash these hands off. I believe they're just about finished. We'll see what they look like. Whoa. Look at that. All right, that's how I like it. Nice and crunchy. Now while they're still hot, here comes the cheese part. Take a slice of mozzarella, put it on there, and put it on there. Put it on that one. Okay. Let them melt and wrap around down in there. Get down there a little bit more. Come on. Yeah, let them seal up around the edges. See that? There you go. There you go. Cheese fried chicken, baby. You love it? You love it like I do? Let me take them out and put them on a rack over here. It's so exciting. You want a bite of that right now, don't you? Yeah. Put it down on the rack. Look at that. Oh, we got some extra crust there. I like that. All right, I have them sitting on a rack. Let them cool so I don't burn myself. Let me taste some of that. Oh. Woo. All right. I got 3 cheese fried legs. I'm gonna make 3 regular legs because I want to. That's all. Get some of that off of there. And here's how we go again. Use our spices. Spice mix. Eggs. Dredge it in the flour. A little bit. Shake it off. All right, this is gonna be just regular old-fashioned. My recipe, fried chicken. The seasoning is delicious. You gotta try it. Or like I said, make up your own. Flour them lightly. I'm making a mess. I don't care. Shake it off. Okay. Back in. About 10 minutes this time. Cover them up. Oh boy, I can't wait to bite these mozzarella fried cheese chickens. Cheese fried chicken. You gonna try making some of this? Oh, can't wait to get a bite of them, huh? Almost. Okay, everyone. I can't wait much longer. How do these look to you? They look good? That's just my regular recipe of fried chicken there, but we're gonna put them with the cheese fried chicken. I'm gonna turn this power off here. Take them out, let them cool a little bit on the rack. Look at these. I could put cheese on these too, but I'm making them both ways today. I'll show you why. All right, you move aside. I'm done with you for a while. Let me get a fancy plate out here. Plate these up so they look nice for me. I'm gonna do one like that. Woo! One with cheese. That looks good. Still hot. Ouch. One with cheese. And one with cheese. Look at this beautiful meal I'm gonna have for breakfast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's right. And here they are. Da-da-da-da-da. Gotta taste one right now. Which one do I want first? I'm gonna eat like a cow. Cheese fried chicken. Oh. Oh. Wow. And you know what? What could be even better? If you're feeling real adventurous, get yourself some Parmesan sauce. Pour a little bit in a bowl. And do this. Parmesan cheese chicken. Oh. Oh. That's it. Oh, why did I do that? Parmesan cheese, fried chicken. Taste one of the regular recipe. You want a bite, don't you? Oh, hot. Hot and delicious. Next time you're frying some chicken, throw a slice of cheese on there, any kind you like, and think of me when you take a bite. Oh boy. And dip it in sauce too, if you like. Thanks for stopping by. You gotta give this a try. Okay? Please subscribe. I'll talk to you later. Oh, what do you see when I'm getting delivered today? Gotta stop back tomorrow and see what it is. I'm gonna play with it tonight. Is it something to eat? Oh, probably. Let me enjoy this cheese fried chicken. You have a nice day. See you later.